Rahim. Today is the third lecture of the application of hydrogen bonding. Third application, that is the structure of the ice. The structure of the ice, that is the tetrahedral structure. The two lone pair of electron of oxygen atom occupy the two corners of the tetrahedron. This is the tetrahedron structure, and this is just like the diamond structure. And whenever we slow down the temperature of the liquid water, the water molecules, they arrange themselves in a regular manner, and they are converted into the tetrahedron structure. At 0 degree Celsius, the density of the water, that is decreases, while the empty spaces they are present inside the inside the water structure, they are increases, and they are 9% increase as compared to the water molecules. Why the aquatic animals, they remain alive inside the water while during the winter, because due to because the the ice having the low density, and it come to freezes from surface to downward. Therefore, beneath the surface of the water, the heat is locked down inside the water body, because the surface contain the ice, and it having the low density, and it is floated over the surface of the pond. Therefore, the fishes and the plants, they remain alive inside the water bodies during the winter season. Okay, next we move towards the cleansing action of the soap and the detergent. Because the detergent and the soaps, they having the two molecules. One molecule that is soluble in water, and one molecule contain the two head. One head that is soluble in the water, and another head that is insoluble in the water. Due to the hydrogen bonding, the soluble head that will dissolve inside the water. Soap and detergent perform the cleansing action because the polar part of their molecules are water soluble due to the hydrogen bonding, and non-polar remain outside water because because the non-polar, that is alkyl or benzyl portion, and are insoluble in the water. Okay, now we move towards the hydrogen bonding biological compounds and food materials. Inside the food material, hydrogen bonding, it is present because the food material, that is the protein and carbohydrates in our body. The most of the part of our body, that is consisting of on the proteins, and the proteins, they are the protein amino acids, they are attached together due to the hydrogen bonding. As you know that this is the nitrogen group, and this is the carboxylic group. They attach to each other with the help of the hydrogen bonding. Here you can see that structure of amino acids, and here show the hydrogen bonding. This is hydrogen bonding between this oxygen and hydrogen atom, and between the amyl group and the carboxylic. This is between the carboxylic and amine group. Okay, inside the DNA, there is also the hydrogen bonding. That is present between the nitrogenous bases. Here the structure of DNA, you can say that these are the nitrogenous bases, adenine and thymine, and there is a hydrogen bonding in between these nitrogen bases. And the spiral structure of the DNA, it is also due to the hydrogen bonding. And you also know that the food of our that that we take, it also contain the carbohydrates, in which included glucose, fructose and sucrose. They have the OH groups in them, which is responsible for the hydrogen bonding. Next, the last topic, that is the hydrogen bonding in paints, dyes and textile material. Hydrogen bonding, they are also present inside the paints. Due to this paints and dyes, due to this hydrogen bonding, they having this sticky appearance, and they can attach with the another things, just like wall or the clothes. And the clothes, the rigidity of the clothes, and the tensile strength, this is also due to the hydrogen bonding. Now you can say that how the hydrogen bonding, that is important for our life, even in our body, and in our food. Hydrogen bonding play very important role. Due to this hydrogen bonding, the DNA having the proper structure. If there is no hydrogen bonding, there is no formation of this spiral structure of DNA. Okay, this is all about today's lecture, and these are the application of hydrogen bonding. Next we will move with the another topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.